Flo, are you doing your turtle impression?
No. I'm fell on my back.
Flo's turtle impression.
Ah! My shell keeps coming off.
Awkward snail.
I think I'm more of a hermit crab now.
I know.
Don't steal my shell.
I think I'm stuck in it.
No. Oh no. Oh no. No, my shell. I'm like a slug.
I don't like slugs.
No one likes slugs.
Do you reckon YouTube likes slugs?
No.
It's just fun.
I'm turtle, I can't do thumb wars, I've got little stumps.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
That's so fun! That is so fun!
I'm stronger than I thought.
Well, since she's fallen over and she's back up, we're going to even poke you. Wait. Giant finger! Yeah, we're going to go.
Bye!
The hermit crab's back in her shell. Ooh. Bye!